I'm going to show you how to remove a coax wall plate. And you're probably asking, why would I remove a coax wall plate? Well, if you're not using this coax wall plate, you may not like the look of the coax outlet sticking out. So there's two options to remove this coax wall plate. The first option is to remove it for good. And this option requires a drywall patch, texture, and lastly paint. And the second option, which is much easier, is to purchase a blank wall plate. And these wall plates are inexpensive. I purchased this wall plate for 90 cents. They do make these in nylon plastic or in metal. I chose the nylon plastic. So first thing, remove the coax cable if you have one attached. Next, unscrew the coax wall plate. Just 2 screws. Next, unscrew the wall plate from the coax inside the wall. Now you want to stuff that cable back into the wall box. And don't worry, you won't get shocked. And be sure to check out my video on coax cable facts. Next, install the blank wall plate. You want to insert the screws into the wall plate first. Just a few twists. By doing this, it makes it much easier to screw onto the wall box. And now we're done. And just a quick tip here, you want to save the other coax wall plate, so put it in a toolbox or a drawer somewhere, just in case you want to attach it back at a later date. And be sure to check out all 3 of my coax videos, from how to install, where does the coax cable go, and coax cable facts. And as usual guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like these videos, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love them, hit subscribe to keep this channel alive. Thanks again for watching.